してよ街の中で今夜 Hi guys, I'm Yen and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing an affordable gel nails tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started. Here's what you need. First is you will be needing a UV lamp, and I got this from Shopee for only 120 pesos. Next is nail stickers. I got everything from Shopee and I will be linking them below. Prices ranges from 17 to 25 pesos only, and they are so cute in person, you guys. Now I will quickly show you everything that I got. And also, just a quick side note, I filmed this on my phone because I couldn't find where I put my memory, so the quality may not be as good as my usual videos, but still hope you'll enjoy. Last thing you will be needing is a gel top coat to seal the nail stickers and make them last longer. I got this for only 80 pesos from Shopee as well. Okay guys, now let's begin. I'll first show you how to remove them, and you guys, it's so easy and they won't damage your nails like the usual gel polish. You can basically peel them off and they won't budge unless you forcefully do so. That's why I personally think that it is such a great alternative for gel polish. Also, excuse my crusty looking nails. I'm trying to revive them from a year of doing gel polishes. That's why I'm so grateful I found this method. Basically, the only challenging part is finding the right size of sticker to match your nail, but you can always cut the stickers to match them, I guess. Okay, then after that, just stick them onto your nails, and I like to kind of stretch them out a bit for smoother application. Then after that, you can file the edges and remove the excess sticker. Once you're done, it's time to apply the gel top coat. And also, this will only take you about 10 to 15 minutes to do. Like, how convenient, right? After that, it's time to cure your nails using the UV lamp. I usually cure them for a minute or two, and that's it, you're done. Say bye-bye to paying 400 pesos for gel nails. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you'll join me on my next video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you, bye.